I'm going to be talking about the 10 benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day. Push-ups are a great exercise for anyone who wants to get in shape. They are a compound exercise, meaning that they work multiple muscle groups at the same time. Push-ups primarily work the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but they also engage the core and legs. 1. Upper body strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise targeting various muscle groups. The action engages the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. By consistently performing 100 push-ups, you significantly boost upper body strength and power. This translates into improved functional strength for daily activities and other workouts. 2. Muscle definition and toning. Beyond strength, push-ups sculpt and define muscles. The continuous contraction and extension movements during the exercise stimulate muscle growth. Over time, arms, shoulders, and chest become more toned, providing that chiseled look many strive for. Witnessing these changes can be a significant motivator for maintaining the challenge. 3. Endurance and stamina enhancement. This challenge isn't just about building strength, it's about endurance too. Initially challenging, the gradual increase in repetitions builds endurance. What once seemed daunting becomes more achievable, significantly improving overall stamina. This endurance boost often carries over into other physical activities, enhancing performance in various exercises and daily tasks. 4. Convenience and equipment-free exercise. One of the best aspects of push-ups, they require no equipment and minimal space. You can incorporate them into your routine wherever you are. This accessibility makes them an essential, convenient addition to your daily regimen. Plus, the simplicity of the exercise allows for consistent performance without the need for a gym or specialized equipment. 5. Core engagement and stability. While push-ups primarily target upper body muscles, they effectively engage the core. To maintain proper form, the core muscles stabilize the body throughout the movement. This engagement not only contributes to a stronger core, but also aids in overall stability, which is crucial for functional movement patterns and injury prevention. 6. Posture improvement. Strengthening chest and shoulder muscles through push-ups plays a pivotal role in posture improvement. As these muscles grow stronger, they aid in pulling the shoulders back and down, reducing the tendency to slouch. This gradual postural correction can mitigate the negative effects of prolonged sitting or poor posture habits. 7. Mental clarity and mood elevation. The impact of this challenge isn't solely physical, it's mental too. Engaging in regular physical activity, like 100 push-ups, can lead to increased mental clarity and reduced stress levels. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones, leading to an overall uplift in mood and mental well-being. 8. Confidence boost and discipline. Completing 100 push-ups daily fosters discipline and boosts confidence. Setting and achieving a daily goal can significantly impact self-esteem. Witnessing progress, whether through increased repetitions or improved form, instills a sense of accomplishment, reinforcing discipline and motivation to keep pushing forward. 9. Cardiovascular benefits. Surprisingly, consecutive push-ups elevate heart rate, offering cardiovascular benefits akin to a moderate cardio workout. The consistent movement and engagement of major muscle groups enhance blood circulation and heart health, contributing to an overall improvement in cardiovascular fitness. 10. Versatility and variations. The beauty of the push-up challenge lies in its versatility. Beyond the standard push-up, various modifications and variations exist. Incline, decline, diamond, or explosive push-ups are just a few examples. These variations cater to different fitness levels and goals, allowing individuals to tailor their challenge and continuously progress. Here are some additional tips for doing 100 push-ups every day. Start slowly and gradually increase the number of push-ups you do each day. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Use proper form to avoid injury. Make push-ups a part of your daily routine. There you have it, folks. 10 phenomenal benefits of committing to 100 push-ups daily. It's not just about the number, but the journey and the transformative changes you'll notice along the way.